how to make money with AI generated YouTube videos for YouTube automation. In this video, I show you how to use ChatGPT, Google, and 2 other AI tools that you can use in order to create YouTube videos that you can use for YouTube automation and start literally printing money. So when you want to start a YouTube channel, the first step is the actual niche. Okay, if you know what will be the niche for your channel, you already know. If you don't know, you can actually ask ChatGPT. Okay, so you can go to ChatGPT and say, what are the best niches to start a YouTube channel, right? YouTube channel. So you can either ask ChatGPT to do this, or you already know what will be the niche that you're trying to start for your YouTube. Let me just refresh the ChatGPT. Okay, ask the question again. So ChatGPT will analyze this question and will tell you what are the best niches to start your YouTube channel. So if you already know it, you can start your channel. Or now you can see the ChatGPT is offering me like gaming is one of the popular and profitable niches on YouTube, beauty and fashion. You can choose one of them, cooking and food. So let's say I already know what will be my niche, and in this case, I'm going to use the law of attraction, for instance, which is a popular niche, right? So what I'm going to do, let me just stop generation. Let me stop generating the answer. So you can see health and fitness, education and learning, travel. You can choose one of them and then extend it to come up with the ideas. But in this case, I'm going to use law of attraction, okay? So in order to use law of attraction and come up with the nice ideas about for your videos, you can use ChatGPT or you can use Google as well, all right? So I'm going to use Google in this case, and I'll tell you why. So in order to come up with the nice ideas, just type in law of attraction, okay? Just type in law of attraction. Now you can see that Google will offer you topics. Okay, if you scroll down, you can see what are the 3 laws of attraction. How does the law of attraction work? And these are the questions that are already getting ranked on Google, and people are asking it. Okay, what I'm going to use, I can either use these questions or I can use ChatGPT. But now I'm going to use, for example, one of these topics from my first video. All right. For example, how does the law of attraction work? Okay, so to answer this question, I can go back to ChatGPT and paste the question, okay, and ChatGPT will tell me what will be the answer to this question and the script for my video, okay, but I can use Google again for the answer as well. So if you go back here, you can see this website is already getting ranked on Google for this question. So this is the answer that Google is already looking for. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up this website in a new browser, okay, and copy the URL. This is the answer. So I'm not going to copy and paste this answer for my video script because it doesn't first make sense and you're probably not going to rank for it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use ChatGPT again and say, can you summarize this article into, let's say 200 words for now. Words. And then I paste the URL. So now ChatGPT is going to paraphrase, to summarize it first, right? It first summarizes this content and come up with the new content. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, this is the content that I have received from ChatGPT. What I can do, I cannot just copy paste it for my YouTube script. What I can do, I can actually copy it, okay, and use another paraphrasing tool which is called Quillbot, okay, and I just paste it here. There's a little bit of length limitation with the free version. So, okay, so I can just come here and paraphrase it to come up with the new content. So this is one of the methods that I can use to come up with the new content, or I can go back to ChatGPT, okay, and ask ChatGPT to paraphrase it and make it a little bit more friendly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say, can you paraphrase this to sound more friendly and casual. Okay, so now, sure, I'll be happy to help. So now I'll come up with a new content that is going to be a different script for my YouTube video. Okay, so this is a script that I've got. What I'm going to do, I'm going to copy. So I've got the script. Now I need the video. To create a video, you can use videos from websites like Pexels and Pixabay and things like that, or you can use another AI tool, which I personally recommend, and it's called Pictory. I'll leave a link in the description below. They also have a free trial. You can give it a go and see how it works. Okay. After you go through the registration process, you will come to this page. Okay. Now, once you're here, click on Create Video, and now you have the option to create it. Okay. You can change article into video. Okay. So you can either copy and paste the URL, or you can actually copy and paste the script. In this case, I'm going to select this one because I have the script. So click on Proceed. Now, I need to paste the URL, paste the script here. Okay. And what was the question? Let me just check the question. What was it? It was, what are the law of attraction? So this was the question. How does law of attraction works? Okay. So this is the title. I'm going to call it, how does the law of attraction works? So this can potentially be a title for your YouTube video. You can paraphrase it. You can change it if you want. But in this case, I'm just going to use it for now, and also have the script for it as well. So what I'm going to do, after you pasted the script, you need to click on Proceed. Now select the theme. All right. So you can choose any of these templates for your video. So you can just go through them to see which one is suitable for your video based on your niche and your content. I'm just going to use one standard. I'm just going to select this one, the standard one. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, click on Select. Now, for YouTube video, I'm going to use this one, standard. Now it is going to create a storyboard for my video. Okay, now I have the videos for every paragraph, so you can see the scenes, and actually change it if you want to. You can come up with the new visuals from here. From this part, you can select new visuals and use them if you want. Use different video if you want for your YouTube video. And now I need to add the voiceover as well. So this tool also provides the voiceover as well. So click on Audio. Okay, and now you can see we have this voiceover. Okay, click on voiceover, and you can either choose male or female. I'm going to use female, for instance, and you can choose the accent as well: UK accent, US accent, Indian accent, Australian, New Zealand, South African. So you can choose one of them and use it for your video. I'm just going to use Ivy. Let's take Ivy, for instance. Apply. Click on Apply. So this voiceover is also applied for my video. It's now saved. What I need to do, I can either click on Preview to see how my video actually looks. Let me just click on Preview.
If you focus on what you want and believe you can achieve it, you're more likely to make it happen.
Okay, so this is how it sounds. If you want a little bit more human-like sort of sound, you can choose other options to make it a little bit more natural. There's another AI tool that you can use for voiceovers, but you don't need to pay for that. I think this will do the job. After you have created your video and you're happy with your content and the scenes, you can put an intro. You know, this is invisible right now. You can just put an intro or outro at the end and have a complete video. Once you've done that, click on Generate and click on Generate Video, and it starts generating your video for your YouTube channel. Okay, now the video is generated. You need to download the video. Let's just download it for a second. And that's it. That's the video. Let me just play it.
The law of attraction is a
So the sound I use is a little bit, it's not very natural sound, but I could use another one if I want to. So this is the sort of tool that a lot of people are using in order to create videos for YouTube. There's a watermark here. If you want to get rid of it, you need to pay for it, which is, I think, about $29 per month, I think, or $19 for a year if you pay yearly. So that's pretty much it for this video. This is how you can create AI-generated faceless videos for your YouTube channel. All you need to do just to use ChatGPT and this Pictory AI tool, so you can have a video up and running. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I appreciate it if you tap that like button, and if you haven't subscribed and tap that little bell so you don't miss out on the next video. See you in the next one. Bye.